So when Handbrake finishes converting a particular video, then nothing happens in particular by default, but you can go ahead and change the when done behavior. So for that, let me just go ahead and load up a file. Let's say, for example, this file right here. And then what I'm going to do now is go ahead and I'm going to go around over here onto tools and then go to preferences. So once that is done, you can see that when done is an option, and by default, nothing is done. But here you can see that I can actually set it to shut down, sleep, hibernate, lock the system, and so forth. Well, let me just go around and choose quit Handbrake and reset to do nothing when the app is relaunched. And then you can see that this is what I have. So I can also choose to send the file to a certain location after it is done. And you can also go ahead and enable a sound notification right here, and even go ahead and choose a sound notification right here as you wish, right here, just like this as well. So now once this is done, I'm simply going to go ahead and then go back right here. So let's go back right here. And then what I'm going to do is start encoding. So I'm going to go around and start the encode process right here. And once that's done, you can see that it goes ahead and encodes that out right here, just like this. So now once the encode is complete, it says when done action is here. So it gives you a countdown, as you can see, and you can go ahead and proceed to quit Handbrake right here. Apart from that, if we were to go ahead and open up Handbrake right here, just like this, let me just go ahead and cancel it. Over here, I'm going to go around onto preferences. And here what you can do is on the when done section, you can see that it's set to do nothing because I've set to reset to do nothing when the app is relaunched settings right there. So that is how you can go ahead and change the when done setting inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.